Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question. We have given x over 2 s to the power 4 equals to 16. Let's provide a solution very quickly. Now what can we do? We have to copy what we have. We have here x over 2 raised to the power 4, and this is equals to 16. And of course here we shall get x, which is equals to x power 4, then over 2 power 4, and this can be equals to 16. And right here we can write this one as x power 4 over, this can be 4 squared equals to 16. And of course this can be written as x power 4, which equals to 4 power 2 times here 4 power 2. So that is what we have right here, and we can write that we have x power 4, which equals to 4 power 4, and we can include these like terms x power 4 minus 4 power 4, which equals to 0. So that here we are supposed to find 4 values of x, right? So we can change them into difference of 2 squares to get what? To get x squared, then squared again, minus here 4 squared and squared again. So this is equals to 0, and this can be written as x squared that we have right here, then minus this 4 squared, then times x squared plus 4 squared equals to 0. And of course this is a perfect difference of 2 squares, so we have to say x squared minus 4 squared equals to 0, so that this implies that we have x minus 4 times x plus 4 equals to 0, and of course this have x1 equals to 4, whereas x2 equals to negative 4. And here we have another one, and the equation x squared plus 4 squared equals to 0 shall say x squared equals to negative 4 squared, and x will be positive or negative square root of here negative 4, so that x3 and 4 will be negative positive or negative 2i, so that x3 equals to positive 2i, x4 equals to negative 2i. So solution set includes x to x equals to negative 2i. Here we have negative 4, we have right here 2, we have right here 2 and 2i. I can say that here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.